Hi, this is your host, and in this video I'm going to be explaining what is artificial intelligence. If you are new here, consider subscribing for more amazing videos like this. Artificial intelligence (AI) is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Learning in this sense is acquiring data and converting it into actionable knowledge. Reasoning involves using that knowledge to draw inferences and make predictions. Self-correction refers to the ability of the system to continually refine its performance through feedback loops. This feedback can come in many forms, such as the results of its own testing or user corrections. By integrating these functions, AI systems can adapt and improve over time, becoming more accurate in their task execution and more robust in their decision-making. This is a simplified explanation of what AI is. Now let's get a little deeper. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. For example, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, making decisions based on incomplete information, and even learning new skills from data. AI systems do this by mimicking the way that the human brain works. They use algorithms, which are sets of rules or procedures for solving problems, to process information and make decisions. These algorithms are trained on vast amounts of data, which allows them to learn from past performance and improve over time. There are many different types of AI, but they all share these core characteristics. One way to categorize AI is by how it is used. For example, some AI systems are used for prediction, such as those used in spam filters, or to recommend products to shoppers. Other AI systems are used for classification, such as those used to diagnose diseases or to identify objects in images. Still other AI systems are used for control, such as those used in self-driving cars or industrial robots. Another way to categorize AI is by its complexity. At the simplest level, there is rule-based AI, which relies on a set of pre-programmed rules to make decisions. At the more complex end of the spectrum, there is machine learning AI, which uses algorithms that can learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This type of AI is capable of more sophisticated tasks, such as natural language processing and computer vision. The potential applications of AI are endless. In healthcare, AI can be used to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and personalize patient care. In manufacturing, AI can be used to improve quality control, optimize production, and enable robots to work alongside humans. In transportation, AI can be used to develop self-driving cars, optimize traffic flow, and reduce congestion. However, as powerful as AI is, it is important to remember that it has limitations. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and they can only solve problems that they have been programmed to solve. Additionally, AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases in society. As such, it is important to develop AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and transparent. One of the biggest challenges in developing AI systems is the need for vast amounts of data. AI algorithms learn from data, so the more data they are trained on, the better they become at solving problems. However, obtaining and cleaning large data sets can be expensive and time-consuming. Another challenge is the need for specialized expertise. Developing AI systems requires a team of experts in fields such as computer science, statistics, and domain-specific knowledge. Finally, there is the issue of interpretability. Because AI systems are often black boxes, it can be difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of interpretability can lead to mistrust and reluctance to adopt AI systems in critical domains, such as healthcare or finance. Despite these challenges, AI is a rapidly growing field with enormous potential to improve our lives. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will be able to tackle more complex problems and help us make better decisions. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible with AI, and the future is truly exciting. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing AI content. I believe that everyone should understand how AI works and have the opportunity to learn about this amazing technology. I love creating videos that explain complex topics in simple terms, and I hope that everyone who watches my videos walks away with a better understanding of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to check out more of my content. I have a ton of videos on various topics related to AI, machine learning, and data science. I am also working on a new project that I am really excited about, so stay tuned for updates. In addition to creating videos, I am also involved in several AI initiatives aimed at making AI education more accessible. I believe that everyone should have access to quality AI education regardless of their background or location. So that is why I am committed to using my platform to promote AI education and make it more widely available. I would also love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI and what do you want to see me cover in future videos? Let me know in the comments below. You can also follow me on social media to learn more about my work and get updates on my latest videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.